What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing a battery change on a Toyota Smart Key. This is going to be for the Rav4. Now you may have a 4-button version like this or a 3-button version. It won't make a difference. The procedure for the battery change will be the same. So we'll just go ahead and use this one. So to get started, we have our new battery. It takes a CR2032 battery. And then it helps to have a small little screwdriver or something like this. Not absolutely necessary, but it'll make it a little easier to get the battery out. So the first thing we need to do is remove the key from the bottom. And how we'll do that is by pressing this little button here. And then this comes out like that. If we take our key, if you can notice here, we'll see if the camera will pick it up. It's got a little bit of a lip on the edge of the key. That is going to go in the slot right here. I'm not sure again if the camera will pick that up, but if you look at it, you'll see in there it goes in the slot. You'll push it all the way in, and then you'll turn it just like you're unlocking. And then that'll pop that open. So once we have that, we can take our board out. You can see the battery, and that's where this will come in handy. You can see there's a little slot right here. You just get underneath that battery, and it'll pop out like that. Put our new one in. Again, that's a CR2032, and you want to do it plus side up so you can read the numbers. Plus side up, pop that in, and we'll put this back. You can see this edge is it's kind of cut so you can tell which end it goes in so you don't get it upside down. So we have it like that, and what I always like to do is before I actually pop it back together, test it. All right, we see it lighten up there. The back on, snap it back together, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like the video and subscribe, helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.